Hello students, once again welcome to TG Campus. In this series of important concepts of partnership accounting, in this video we are going to cover another important concept, that is past adjustment. So let's begin with this concept, past adjustment. So first of all, we have to understand what is past adjustment and why we have to do this past adjustment. See, everyone knows that at the end of the accounting year, business needs to prepare financial statements. And a financial statement comprises of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. And once these financial statements get prepared, no one can alter that. The picture of financial position and financial performance of your business described by the financial statements, right? But sometimes what happens, even after preparing financial statements, even after finalizing the books of accounts, you come to know that there were some mistakes or there were some errors or some transactions you haven't recorded in the previous year. So those transactions which were not recorded in the previous accounting year, or there were some errors in recording transaction in the previous year, those errors we have to rectify. So in order to rectify those errors, I cannot go and alter the financial statements as a whole. So what I need to do, I need to rectify those mistakes by passing some adjustment entry, and that is the concept of past adjustment. So one by one, we are going to see what are the different, I can say, reasons for passing the adjustment entry or for doing past adjustment. And then followed by, we are having one example. With the help of that, we can understand how actually past adjustment entry we have to pass. So let's begin with the different reasons by which we have to prepare or we have to do past adjustment, right? See here, because of the below mentioned errors, the profits are wrongly distributed among the partners. Hence, it becomes necessary to adjust these through the capital accounts before or after the closure of the accounts. So there are some errors because of which past year profits that you distributed among the partners was not correct. And you came to know this after a finalization of your books of accounts, right? So what are those errors that we have to first of all see one by one? Some of these errors are as follows. Interest not given on partner's loan. It means as per the partnership deed, you have to provide interest on partner's loan, but your accountant forget to record the same in the previous year books of accounts. Then interest on capital wrongly calculated or not paid. Another error might be possibility of interest on partner's capital is not provided, not recorded, or recorded but with wrong amount. Then wrong profit sharing ratio. As per the partnership deed, a profit sharing ratio has to be a 1:1:1, but your accountant distributed profit wrongly by considering 2:2:1 as a profit sharing ratio. This can be the reason. Then interest on a drawing not charged or charged at a wrong rate. You forget to write down interest on drawing in last year financial statements, or you written with the wrong amount or wrong interest rate. Then salary or commission paid to the partner without considering whether or not the partner is entitled to it. In order to pay salary and commission, there has to be a provision in contents of partnership deed. If partnership deed is allowing you to pay salary and commission, then only you can pay. But suppose if accountant pays and recorded in the books of accounts regarding payment of salary and commission to any partner, then that is nothing but the error done by you. So there are some errors because of which the profit distributed by you in the previous year among the partners was not correct, right? And these errors we have to rectify now. So how to rectify these errors? See, I cannot go and alter the financial statements that I prepared in the previous year. So here, what I need to do, I need to pass one adjustment entry. By passing that adjustment entry, I can change, or I can say I can alter the errors made by me in the previous year. Now we have to see this example, and with the help of this example, we can understand how to pass adjustment entry. See, Neha, Samir, Hitesh are a partner sharing the profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. After final accounts, they found that partnership deed provides for charging interest on the drawings at the rate 10% per annum. 10% per annum is not given, right? Only 10% is given. Is not considered in the financial statements. So as per the partnership deed, 10% of interest on drawing is provided, but they have not recorded these in the previous year. Their drawings are given. The drawings of Neha, Samir, Hitesh during the year ending 31st of March 2023 amounting to rupees 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 respectively, right? So there is one transaction, that is interest on drawing. They have not recorded in the previous year. First of all, we have to understand, so what are the two effects of interest on drawing? Interest on a drawing is always income for the partnership from business, right? It's income for a partnership from business and expenses for a partner. If it is income for a partnership from business, then we have to record the same on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. And if it is expenses for a partner, then we have to record it on the debit side of partner's capital account, right? Then after that, we have to see the calculation of interest on a drawing here. So 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 are the drawings given to me, and rate of interest is 10% is given. As I said, it is not 10% per annum. If it is provided as 10% per annum, I will be calculating interest on a drawing for 6 months. But here, I'm not going to do that because it's not given as a percentage of per annum. So I need to simply apply whatever percentage given to me on amount of drawings. So 20,000 multiplied by 10, I will be getting answer 2,000 rupees of interest on Neha's drawings. On Samir drawing, it is 1,500 rupees, and on Hitesh drawing, it is around 1,000 rupees. So if I do the total of all the interest on drawing, it will be around 4,500 rupees. If you think now, so 4,500 rupees of income is not recorded by partnership from business in the previous year profit and loss appropriation account, right? So it means I can say 4,500 rupees of profit they have distributed less in the previous year, right? So what I need to do, now I need to rectify this mistake by preparing one working note. So let's look into this working note. See, so we know 2,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees and 1,000 is the interest on drawing respectively of Neha, Samir and Hitesh. That we have to record, where we have to record the same on the debit side of partner's capital account. See here, amount which should have been debited by way of interest on drawing is 2,000 rupees, 1,500 and 1,000 rupees, total 4,500 rupees. We have to record on the debit side of partner's capital account. And as I said, 4,500 rupees of profit we have distributed lesser in the previous year. So that we have to distribute now. So 4,500 rupees, see here, amount should have been created by way of share of profit. And we know, sir, whenever you are providing profit to partners, we have to record the same on the credit side of partner's capital account. So I have distributed this 4,500 as per their profit sharing ratio. So what is profit sharing ratio? So profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. So what I need to do, see this 4,500 rupees, I need to distribute in the ratio of 5:3:2 between the partners. So when I distributed it, I come to know the answer 2,250 rupees, 1,350 rupees and 900 rupees. Now what I need to do, I need to check out debit amount and credit amount. So if you see here, debit amount is 2,000 rupees, credit amount is 2,250 rupees. So it comes to 250 as a balance. Here 1,500, 1,350, balance is 150 rupees. Here for Hitesh, balance is 100 rupees. Now I need to see where to record it. Means I need to debit it or I need to credit it. If you observe here, debit side of Neha is 2,000 rupees and credit side of Neha is 2,250 rupees. It means, so credit side total of Neha is more. By how much? So by 250 rupees. So it is known as credit balance, and that's why I need to credit 250 rupees balance. Now in the case of Samir, if you see, 1,500 is a total of debit side, 1,350 is a total of the credit side. If you see the difference, so difference is how much? 150 rupees is the difference. So 150 rupees is the difference because of, so having debit side more, it is known as debit balance. We have to debit 150 rupees in case of Samir. Now see into case of Hitesh, 1,000 rupees debited, 900 rupees credited. If you see the difference, 100 rupees is the difference and 100 rupees we have to debit. Why? Because debit side more and we are having debit side balance, or it is known as debit balance, and that's why we have to debit Hitesh. Now, after finding this, I need to simply pass one adjustment entry, and by which I can rectify this mistake. So see the journal entry part now. See, Samir's capital account we have to debit for 150 rupees. Hitesh capital account we have to debit for 100 rupees. And Neha's capital account we have to credit for 250 rupees, and by passing the journal entry, I am able to here adjusted the mistakes done by me in the previous year. So in this concept, that is past adjustment, what we understood so far is, so what are the different reasons because of which we have to do past adjustment, right? After understanding those different errors, so what is the way now to rectify the financial statement that we prepared in the previous year? So yes, there is a way. See, I cannot alter the financial statement that I prepared in the previous year, but by passing adjustment entry, I can rectify those mistakes, right? Then how to pass the adjustment entry? For that, the accounting rules is important. As we discuss about interest on a drawing, so interest on drawing is income for a partnership firm business and expenses for a partner, and accordingly, we have created one working note, and with the help of that working note, we find out which partner's capital account to debit and which partner's capital account to credit. And finally, we pass one adjustment entry, right? So this is nothing but the past adjustment. Hope you understood this. Thank you for the past adjustment video. Stay tuned for the upcoming video. We are going to see another concept that is nothing but interest on a drawings calculation by average method. Thank you.